Torment. Sharp as ever.
What's next? Worth grabbing.
Sharp as ever. Keeping pace.
Why go so far? Do so much to save my friend, only to cut him down. I cannot give you the death you deserve. Not without damning the city along with you, but I will not stay at your side a moment longer. Kill the Absolute. And should you die in the attempt, it would be a better end than you deserve.